Hi friends, welcome back to CADable. This is Engineer Ibrahim Omer, and in this tutorial we will learn how to create inclined reference plane in Solidworks. We'll also learn how to create a tangent reference plane in Solidworks. Basically, I received two queries about this topic. So let's go to Solidworks and let's learn this topic. So here you can see I'm using Solidworks 2020, but if you are using a below version of Solidworks or a future version of Solidworks, you can still follow this tutorial. So I'll go to here new, select part and select OK. First of all, I will change my background to plain white and I will set my units to mmgs. Let's create a geometry. So I'll select top plane, sketch, and I'll select center rectangle. I will make one rectangle maybe like this. Let's dimension this. Let's say it is 200 and let's say this dimension is 100. Okay, you can see the color of the sketch is turned into black, which means that it is fully defined. I always recommend you to create fully defined sketches, and that will not cause any problem. Okay, so I'll go to here features, extruded boss, and I will extrude in this direction 20 millimeters. Okay, now I'll go to here reference geometry, plane, and here you can see we are given with three references. So in the first reference I will select this edge, and in the second reference I will select this face. Okay, now you can see the plane is perpendicular to this surface, and let's say I want to make a reference plane 45 degrees. Okay, so I'll go to here this one, angle, and if I click here you can see nothing is changed. Okay, I have to click this icon and now I can change my plane to any degree I want. Okay, you can see it looks satisfying. Let's change it to 45 and you can flip it as well. Now let's say I want to make an angle here. Okay, let's hide it. So for this you have to create a line. Okay, so go to here sketch and I will select this face. I will create one line like this, and you can see it is fully defined. So I will exit the sketch workbench. I'll go to here features, reference geometry, plane, and this time for the first reference I will select this line. Okay, and then in the second reference I will select this face, and now I'll go to this icon at angle, and here I can change this plane to any degree I want. Okay, let's say 135 degree. And now I can draw any geometry on this plane. So select this plane, sketch, and let's sketch a circle. And you can see this circle is drawn on this inclined plane. Okay, so go to here features, extruded boss, and this time I can use these options like up to surface. Maybe I can drag this to here, and then I will use this extrude command, and this time I will choose this option up to surface and I will select this face. You can see the preview and select OK. You can extrude in this direction as well, and for the second direction you can choose this option up to surface like this. So that's how you can simply create inclined planes in Solidworks. Now let's go to the second example. I will hide this plane and I will hide this sketch as well. So for this, we will create a revolved surface, half revolved surface. So I will select front plane, a sketch, and then I will create one center line like this. And then we will create a 3-point arc like this. And I have to make it tangent. So I will make one center line like this. And I will make another center line like this. Remember, center lines are not part of our sketch. So select the center line, hold shift key, select this arc and make them tangent. Similarly here as well. And then let's say this dimension is 120. You can see sketch is fully defined. Just go to here, features, revolve boss space, select yes, and I will select this line, and here you can see a 360-degree revolution. So let's say I will change it to 180-degree and select OK. Now the problem is we have to create a plane which is tangent to this surface, okay? Like this. Let's say I want a plane here. So for this, go to here, features, reference geometry, plane, and for the first reference, I will select front plane, okay, which is parallel to this plane, and then I will select this surface, okay, I will select this surface, and here you can see the preview, okay, that is exactly we want here, and here you can see the tangency symbol or tangent. Select OK. Now I can make some geometry on this newly created tangent plane, sketch, and this time I will use this command center rectangle, and let's make a rectangle like this, and then go to here, features, curves, split line, and I will select the surface, select OK. Now you can see the sketch is being transferred on this surface. Basically it is projected on this surface. So that's how you can create a inclined reference plane in Solidworks, and you can also create tangent reference plane in Solidworks. Here is an important message, and that is some students were approaching me. If you do like some personal guidance, I offer one-to-one sessions for engineers, students on AutoCAD, Solidworks, ANSYS, different engineering topics, assignments, and even in final year project. You can reach me through my email. I will be providing my email in the description. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you like this short tutorial. Still, if you have any questions, any query regarding this tutorial or any other tutorial in my list, you can ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting projects. I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.